Oh. Your little lips are chapped. I think we should put something on them.
You got the hiccups? Oh no, not hiccups.
Oh dear.
Oh.
The little ducks are jumping.
We need to get you a drink of water.
Oh, what happens to Betsy? Oh.
Oh, that was a burp.